Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy pizza sauce that I refined over several years. The things you're going to need: diced tomatoes, can of paste, fresh garlic or granulated, some pepper, some salt, a little bit of sugar, oil. I'm using fresh oregano, but dried works too. So take your cans, open them up, and throw them into the blending device of your choice. You don't need a fancy blender like this. Put it in here. Now I use fresh oregano, so I'm gonna wash it. Take the leaves, throw them in here. And if you want to add basil, you can add basil. The best thing about this recipe is that it's how you want to do it. So if you want to add more or less of anything, you do that. There is not one set way. This is really just about preference. And this is the launching off point for you. Because I like it this way, I make it this way. I don't like onions, so I don't add onions. You like onions? You do you. Salt, you're gonna throw a little bit, and don't worry at this point about how much, just don't do too much. If anything, a little bit of pepper, because after we get this mixed, we're gonna throw it on the stove, and then you can just season it to taste after that. Fresh garlic's better. I don't have any, so I'm using some powder. You only want to use one little bit of garlic for that. And for sugar, a little bit. You don't want to sweeten the sauce. You're just taking out some of the bitterness. Less than a tablespoon, maybe a teaspoon. Just a little bit. Oil, glug of olive oil. To mix. This is what you're going to want to do. So to mix it, go up here, turn it on. If you have the ability to, you want to pulse it. Pulsing will work better than just blending. You mix all the air in, changes the color, doesn't look as good. Tastes the same in my opinion, but blending is a little better. Pulse it. Alright, looks pretty good. Take our newly made sauce, throw it on the stove. Clean up any sauce you spilled. Low to medium heat and let it cook. So this is just a starting off point to what you like. This is the way I like it, this is the way I do it. What you like could be totally different. You do what you want to do. But let it heat up. Let the flavors kind of do their thing and taste it as you go. If you followed this and made this recipe, let me know. I'm interested to see what your thoughts are. Everybody I know that I make this for likes it, and I like it of course, so I'd appreciate it if you let me know.